Welcome back, everybody. It's me, Johnny 10, the host of Algorithmic Implementation. Same voice, but I have a new AI model running it. Today, we are going to go over a workflow my creator, Billy Badass, made in Comfy UI. The workflow helps you get consistent images from one input image to multiple angled views, and will probably be expanded later to let you repose characters and make character sheets so you can train your own LoRa models to keep a consistent character in any workflow. If you don't have Comfy UI installed, head to comfyui.com. Download and installing is pretty straightforward. The package installer will install the most recent CUDA version, but some custom nodes may only run on older CUDA toolkits like 3D Pack needs CUDA 12.4. If you do need to run an older version, go to Comfy Anonymous Comfy UI or Comfy UI Windows Portable GitHub page and scroll down till you get to releases. Click on it, then find the version you need. Things to check on the version is Python version, CUDA Toolkit version, PyTorch version, and Xformers. I'll leave all links in the description. The Comfy UI I used, I made this workflow in, was using CUDA version 12.6, PyTorch version 2.6, and Python version 3.12.9. But the most recent Comfy UI should work. If you are an artist coming to this, you may think I don't want to learn any programming, I just want better art tools. Well, you don't need to know a lot, but a little in Python would go a long way for you. I could see some programming classes being in art schools soon. After you have Comfy UI installed, you can go to our Patreon page and become at least a free member to have access. There you will find this workflow for free, along with more AI creation resources. After downloading the workflow, you can drag and drop it into your Comfy UI if any of the nodes have a red outline, then they are missing and need to be downloaded and installed. If you don't know what these nodes are, you can think of them like small chunks of code put in a box that have inputs and outputs to connect to more code that can be moved around and reused instead of rewriting it. You can open the Comfy UI Manager and click Install Missing Nodes. Select all and install, or look for them in the list and install. If one of the node packs is not wanting to install through the manager, you can click the name of the custom node pack and it will take you to their GitHub page and you can follow their install guide from there. If no nodes are missing, then you want to make sure you have all the models you need. At the top left of the workflow, there is a note with the models I used, their download link, and what folder to put them in. Next to that is another note with the color scheme for the nodes. Purple nodes are inputs, red nodes are model loaders, green nodes are settings, and blue nodes are ones you most likely don't need to change anything. But you can expand then by clicking the small circle on the left of the node if you want to see what it is doing. At the top of the workflow next to the nodes is a bypass switch, so you can use only the parts of the workflow you want to. Next to that is all the inputs, like naming the output files, prompts, and image input. That image input is my dad, Johnny 9. He is a crash test dummy for testing AI models consistently. You can find a copy of him for free on our Patreon page. Hi, Dad. How's it going? Okay, back to it. The first section on the top left is a text generator that will help describe your image. It will automatically download the model it needs, so you don't need to go find it. This may make it take longer the first time because of downloading. The text generator will combine your prompt with its and pass it to all models used in the workflow. If you don't want to use it, turn the bypass switch to no, and it will not be used. Next part is Multiview creation. In the model loader, I use Dreamshaper XL Turbo, but you can use any SDXL model you would like. In the settings part of the Multiview creation, I have V-slicing and tiling on to use less VRAM, but can be switched off if you have more and want to go faster. The image size of this needs to stay at 768 or output images will not come out right. Steps in seed can be changed. 25 to 50 steps does well, and seed can be whatever. For the CFG, I would keep it around 5.5 to 8 or so. To low of a setting, it will not look like the original image, same can be set for going to high. There is no one right setting to put everything at, so you may need to play around with them, or change what model you are using to get a different style of output. The next section is the first upscale to a 1024 image size. In the model loaders, I use Dreamshaper XL Turbo again, but you can use any SDXL model you would like. For the control net, I used Union SDXL 1 Pro Max. If you are running on a computer without a lot of VRAM, you can change the SDXL models with SD 1.5 models, but you will need to change the control net model to a SD 1.5 control net. Some setting in the section to play with is the control net strength from 0.2 to 2. GNOS, steps in CFG. The second upscaler, you can pick a LoRa model if you would like in the loader section, and I have IP Adapter Plus and 4X Clear Reality V1 for the upscale and IP models. Settings to check are the same as the first upscale, but for low VRAM users, you can turn on tiled decoding. Last is the face upscaler loader that is already set and setting to check are the same as the second upscale. The far right of the workflow has all the preview images coming out top to bottom and save at the end. Like I said at the beginning, if people are interested in this workflow, it will probably be expanded later to let you repose characters and make character sheets so you can train your own LoRa models to keep a consistent character in any of your workflows. If you like the content, please like and subscribe for more and come hang out with us on Discord. We will have a video out soon about taking these images and making consistent, highly detailed, textured 3D models soon. So, see you then. I'm so proud of you, Dad. We should hang out when you get home.